Okay. If at any point of time any one of you disconnect, you can join back again. Same thing is applicable with me also. If I also get disconnected, I will join again. So no issues. You can consider that as a commercial break in between. Okay. So that's the way. Very good evening to everyone, and congratulations for being a part of a certification program which we all are doing during this tough time. And I'm sure at the end of all the 9 modules, we will have a lot of learning, and whatever practice, whatever level we are doing, things will be different, and surely they will take you to different heights in your own profession and whatever way you are doing. So I plan to do the whole session in English, but if in between, can I use a little bit of maybe 10% Hindi, if that is okay? If not okay, then you can say no. Okay, so most of little bit, okay, fine. Thank you so much. We will have a lot of polls in between. So let me just give you the first poll right now. We already have 220 participants in. I think we should have a little more. We have 250 in the morning batch and 215 in the 50 in the evening batch. So some or other way, I just don't know why there are some people not there in this batch, or maybe 2 people are sitting in one computer and doing it. That is also fine. So I will give you a poll right now. Now, this is a poll. You answer as if you are an investor. Now, polls will work better if you are doing it on a laptop. On phone also it will work. Phone pe bhi अच्छे से काम करेगा. Just only thing, you will have to be a little tactful in taking out the things. So this poll is working in any laptop or a desktop or a software. So this is just maybe the first time. So otherwise everything is fine. You can just do it. So I'm just launching a poll. Now this poll will have 10 questions. You can just answer, and then we will see as a group where are we. Now you will answer it as if you are an investor. Okay, these are the questions which you can actually ask your investors, and when you are asking them what is the answer they are giving, that is something, and that way you can actually analyze where is your investor. He is at a level 7, or he's at a level 5, he needs more planning, more budgeting, more planning, or he is okay, he's 10 out of 10, he's very good, he's absolutely fine. So let me just launch this poll. Okay, now the poll is there in front of you. So we have 226 people now voting. You can read one by one and just answer. Just keep clicking. Do you have a financial plan in place? If not, I am sure at the end of all this 9 modules, you will have a plan in place. Do you save 10 to 30% of your salary or income? Yes or no? You have to just put yes, no. Keep putting. Keep clicking. Don't just read everything. Read one question, click. Second question, click. Yeah, very good. That's the way. Now, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good. That's it. Yes. A lot of us are answering. So, do you have an emergency fund yourself for 6 months? Yes, no, whatever. We will not know किसने क्या आंसर दिया है. Okay, we will just not know. But overall, as a group of 232 people, okay, we will see where are we. Okay, some people are raising hands. So let me just unmute Amrik and let me listen what he's telling. Yes, Amrik. Or you can just write a chat message also. I will read. Done. Very good. If you are done, just relax. Let all of us do. 60% of us in this group have already done the polling. 64% have done. 150 people have already answered. 69%. And so here we go. Just a little more. Just wait a little more. We are 233 people, so 167 people have already answered. See, these are questions to so that the curiosity of an investor, of any person, can actually go up. Okay, when you are reading, you become a little alert, you become a little aware. अरे मैंने ये सोचा नहीं था, I have not thought about this. क्या मैं सोचूं, क्या करूं, should I do, shouldn't I? So this way, people start thinking about this. That's the idea of all this question. So I am okay. Only almost 80% of us have already answered. 85%, 82% people. Okay, let's end the poll here and let's see how the results were. So I'm sharing the results with you. Okay, so if we see the results, 71% of the people have answered yes in the first question. The idea is how many yes you have, okay? 87% yes in second, 75% yes in third. Emergency fund is liquid, 83% is yes. Is your insurance and investment separate? 89% of the people are telling yes. Are you investing for your specific financial goal? 70% of the people are telling yes. Are you investing enough for your children's future? 55% of the people are telling yes. See, this is one of the major area wherein actually we need to take care of our clients also. When you do this survey with your clients, then also the similar answers come. Is your portfolio balanced? Only 62% of the people are telling. But in normal life, if you go to an investor, the answer is no for 90% of the people. Do you have adequate life insurance? I will say the reverse case of when it comes to client, most of the clients are not adequately insured. Maybe उन लोगों ने insurance खरीद रखा है, they have purchased insurance, but that is not according to the human life value. Okay, we will learn that tomorrow. So are you aware about the taxability? Good, because we are financial advisors, most of us are aware, but in normal scenario, you will see very, very less people actually are aware about all this. So that's it. Welcome. Very, very good. All of you have done a good job. Give yourself a big applaud. Great. So here we begin. I will have a presentation which I will be sharing. And today, because of the morning experience, today's game will be in two parts. Okay. So one part we will play today and the other part we will play tomorrow. And then there is a smaller module called financial planning. So we will do financial planning tomorrow. Okay. So आज हम लोग volatility game का part 1 करेंगे और कल part 2 करेंगे और कल वाले episode में हम लोग साथ में financial planning भी करेंगे. Okay. So this is what I have also mentioned in the group. So far so good. Let me share the screen with you also so that you can just be on the same line. How many of us have actually watched these programs like Kaun Banega Crorepati? Many of us have actually watched. A lot of us also have seen programs like Who Will Become a Millionaire. A lot of people also win a lot of money through lottery tickets, race, or a lot of windfall gains. Now, there is something unique about this, okay? And that unique thing is 90% of the people who win lottery tickets or get this all gain, all of a sudden, 90% of their money just vanishes within 2 years. If you go to Google and if you see the top 10 stories of US, UK, or maybe Australia, you will see that 90% of them become bankrupt. Not only bankrupt, everything, each and every penny is gone. हर एक रुपया जो उन्होंने earn किया था through this lottery सारा का सारा खत्म हो जाता है. न कि खत्म होता है, पर वो ऐसी हालत में आ जाते हैं which is like a bankruptcy. उनकी देनदारी बढ़ जाती है. If we have heard the story of Sushil Kumar, who actually won 5 crore rupees in that, he's from Patna and Kaun Banega Crorepati, he has lost every penny and now he is a very ordinary man. So now the question is, ऐसा क्यों होता है? Okay, और उसको जानने के लिए, समझने के लिए, चलो let's have one more poll. So I have a poll wherein you will have to just answer. So I'm launching this. Okay, can you all see the poll? So we have 245 people now for the poll. The poll is there. 90% लोग ये जो विंडफॉल गेन उनको होता है लॉटरी में, रेस में या गेम में, वो 2 साल के अंदर अंदर पूरा खत्म हो जाता है और सारे के सारे रुपए उनके चले जाते हैं. Why is it like that? That 90% of the people who win all this through lottery or race or through this games, they lose each and every penny. They become bankrupt. Not only that, they are under debt. A lot of you are answering. Already 71 people have answered. 28% of you have voted. I will urge. I am asking for a vote. Wow, already 83. End the poll and let's see what is the result. Ending the poll here. Okay, great. Now, as you share the results. Okay, can you all see the results on the screen? Yes, the results are 42% of all of you mentioned that lack of financial planning is the reason why 90% of the people lose. 11% of you tell it is unnecessary expense. 15% of you tell it is the non-availability of a proper financial advisor. 8% of people tell it's not a hard-earned money. और 8% लोग कहते हैं easy आया इसलिए easy चला गया. और 17% लोग कहते हैं कि lack of money mindset. Okay, now the answer is lack of money mindset. See, all of you are right. I'm not telling anybody is wrong. All the reasons are correct, but all, if you sum up, the one answer which you get is lack of money mindset. Now, why is it like that? Let me just explain that a little more. ऐसा है, what happens, उसके लिए मैं आपको एक, how many of you have read this book called The Secret? Okay, if some of you have read, yes, you can raise your hand. Yes, yes, yes. Some people are telling no poll. Yes, there was a poll. You will have to be little, it's there on your laptop on the screen only. And if it is your phone also, then also it is there. We will have more polls coming. My voice is breaking. It can be because of the connectivity. Okay, so connectivity at your end or someone's end, if it is low, so the voice may break, but it will come. Don't worry. Let's just, which book? Yeah, I was talking about, anybody of you have Power of Attraction. It's not Power of Attraction, Rajesh Katyalji, it is Law of Attraction. A lot of echo is there. So this book is, okay, let me just remove this and let me talk, and if this is okay, then I will be talking without the speakers. Okay, is this okay now, if I'm speaking like this? Okay, chalo, theek hai, tab let me talk like that. Because morning only we had a suggestion that I should be using earphones, so that is the reason I am carrying them. But anyways, now the question was why people lose this money. So how many of us have actually read this book called The Secret? जिन्होंने भी नहीं पढ़ी है, I will urge them to watch this movie today or tomorrow as soon as possible, because this is a book which is very, very important for financial advisors to read and understand. This book talks about one thing, and that is called law of attraction. Absolutely correct. What is law of attraction? Law of attraction is whatever we are, okay, we will receive that only. हम जैसे होते हैं वैसे ही चीजों को, वैसे ही परिस्थितियों को और वैसे ही लोगों को अपने और आकर्षित करते हैं. Which means whatever we are, whatever type we are, we will attract that type of thing, that type of people, and that type of wealth in our life. It is not about, yes, Secret is the name of the book. So we will only attract those things of what we are. हम जैसे हैं वैसे ही चीजों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करेंगे. अब मैंने ऐसा क्यों कहा? अब इन लोगों के केस में क्या होता है, जिन लोगों ने ये बहुत सारा रुपया जीता, एक्चुअली थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ, ओके, दे हैव लिव्ड अ लाइफ, अचानक से एक सब रुपया आ जाता है. रुपया तो आ गया, मनी हैज कम, बट दैट मनी माइंडसेट प्रोबेबली हैज नॉट कम. ओके, so when the money mindset is not there, then it becomes difficult. Now how to get that money mindset? Okay, I'll just give you one example of money mindset. Let's say there is a festive occasion in our family. Let's say it's a Diwali or maybe it's a new year or anything, and if there is like a bua or maybe aunt or somebody, an uncle has come and he is giving a 500 rupee note to the little child. Okay, now what people in our family will do? Will tell uncle, please don't give him 500, you can just give him 100. Or why you need to give, your blessing is more than enough. That's what we usually tell. My dear friends, unknowingly, we are just hammering that rich mindset. Which means when this boy grows up, if he is going to get a salary of 5 lakhs, so instead of 5 lakh, he will think, no, I am only worth of 1 lakh. Because from my childhood, I was told that I should be taking 100 instead of 500. If I am going to get a 500 crore business, probably he will think it is better if I use if I get 1 lakh only. Okay, you want me to see, even if I am talking in Hindi, anything that is actually a repetition of whatever I am telling in English. So don't worry, I will be talking 100% in English, but certain things, whatever I am telling in Hindi, which means I have just repeated those things in Hindi. Okay, so that it becomes a little more comfortable for some of us. Okay, so I'm using the earphone as suggested by you again. So it is very, very important that we understand that what is the mindset. Let's take another example. और एक example लेते हैं हम लोग. I take an example of, let's say, there are a lot of suggestions coming on the chat box. If you want, you can follow that. Now, what will happen? Let's say there is a son, Anant Ambani. How many of us know Anant Ambani? All of us know Anant Ambani. Anant Ambani is the son of Shri Mukesh Ambani. Now, Mukesh Ambani ji, his son is there, and now his son proposes to invest 25,000 crore in a project. And there is another guy who is switch off your video. There is another guy who is actually looking forward to invest only 1 crore in a particular project. Now, in order to invest 1 crore in a particular project, what he is thinking now, he is having a brilliant idea, but what he is thinking now, he is thinking how to get that 1 crore. ये 1 crore मुझे कैसे मिलेगा? और दूसरी तरफ मुकेश अंबानी के जो पुत्र हैं, वो what he is asking, 25,000 crore I am having or not, that is not important, but I will get it. That will come to me. Okay, so did you understand? So it becomes an obvious thing about the rich. So it is all about the mindset. If you have a mindset, but in case of this person who won this 5 crore worth of prize, all of a sudden, in school, in college, he was told, don't talk about money, don't talk about money, don't talk about money. And all of a sudden, when a lot of money comes to him, that mindset is not there. That is the reason it is very, very important that instead of having the money or instead of managing the money, the first part is not the management or not to have it, to have the mindset. If you have that proper mindset, money will be retained with you. Otherwise, money will come, but probably it will not be retained. हमें अक्सर शिकायत होती है ना कि money came and it's just all gone, everything is become an expense. जो भी आया सारा खर्चा हो गया, कुछ भी नहीं बचा. So that becomes an issue for all of us. So इसीलिए we will have to ensure that we should have a money mindset. Now, why I am talking about all this? This is something which I talk when I'm doing an investor education program. And I will also urge you, we will be talking a lot of concepts. Just don't talk about only charts and figures and equity market. Talk about concepts, okay? हमको भी हर समय charts पसंद नहीं है. When we will go to the influencer game module, which is on communication, you will understand why I am telling you not only to talk about calculations. The financial advisors का एक आदत क्या है ना, they will only talk about calculations. But we need to talk not only calculations, but also stories and a lot of other things. So that is the reason we have divided the whole program into 9 modules, so that all the 9 areas of whatever is required for a financial advisor is taken into consideration. Okay. So now coming back to this example again, so it is very important to have a rich mindset, and that was the reason we had a very rich mindset was the main answer. If you have that, okay. Now throughout this session, we will have a lot of questions. Let me give you one clue. The other answers, other questions will not have this answer. Don't answer for every question that money mindset is the answer. Okay, just remember that. So perfect. Now let's move to the next topic. The next topic is about energy consciousness. How many of you have actually, let me just tell a story before and then we will have a poll. There is a story, but this is very important for wealth connection. Now, first important thing which we talked was the mindset. Now, the second part is the energy. If you don't have that money energy, it will be very, very difficult for any one of us to actually have that money in place. And even if you have it, to actually retain it and actually make it grow. Even if you have the best of the best advisors, you will not be able to grow it. Same with us also. Before a client also, no, we also need to think that our money should also grow. We should have that. So this energy is very, very important. Let me tell you one story. So this is a story wherein you have seen a lot of time Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu is just relaxing, वो आराम से सोए हुए हैं और उनके पैर लक्ष्मी जी दबा रही है, which means Lord Vishnu is just relaxing and Goddess Lakshmi is pressing his legs. In that scenario, and what you see, Lord Vishnu is smiling and he's absolutely relaxed, cool, calm. But symbolically, there is a lot of deeper meaning of wealth management in this particular picture. What is that deeper meaning? The deeper meaning is the wealth of the world. Okay, symbolically, Goddess Lakshmi ji is with a person like Lord Vishnu. The question is, ऐसा क्यों होता है कि this Lakshmi is only with Vishnu? Why is it like that, that Lakshmi is with people like Vishnu? In today's scenario, we have people like Bill Gates. They have the whole wealth of the world. We have people like Warren Buffett. We have people like Ratan Tata. We have people like Mukesh Ambani. The whole lot of wealth is there with them. What is that one reason because of which they have so much of wealth? And in your clientele also, we will do the comparison. Okay, first let's understand this, then we will come to the comparison, and then we will come why it is applicable with you and why this particular concept is applicable with the wealth management concept. The second scenario, wherein we see Lord Indra. Okay, Lord Indra, who is the Lord Indra? Lord Indra is the managing director of heaven. Okay, he is the managing director of Indralok, which means all the other gods, god of wind, god of fire, god of everything, will actually report to him. He will manage everything. So everything is managed by him. He is one of the most intelligent person, and he is the person who controls everything. He is having the most powerful arms and ammunitions, like that, what do you call that, Vajrastra with him. He is having the most powerful vehicle with him, which is like Airavat, okay, that elephant. He is having the best of the best entertainment, Urvashi, Rambha, and or whatever, jo bhi hai, everybody is there. So he is having all the best things with him. But if you see, he is stressed every time. He is every time fearful. He is in a fear that Asuras will come, they will attack, and they will just take away everything. On the other side, Vishnuji is relaxed, but he is having the whole wealth. All the wealth is with him. And he is every time scared, and he is actually running after Lakshmi. Now, these stories are symbolic. Okay. So whether actually certain things like that happens or not, but energetically all these things happen. And that is the reason probably in all the religions there are a lot of stories. So whether you take it religion wise or not, that is not important, but you understand the concept. Understanding the wealth management story in that is very, very important. Now my question is, why is it like that, that Indra is having, he's running after Lakshmi, and on the other side, Vishnu is having all sort of wealth with him. So let me put a poll and let's see what is the results you give. Okay, so here is the launch of the poll. So please answer. I have given some options. These are some of the options which I actually get when you are actually conducting a lot of programs. So Vishnu is more calm, Vishnu is stress-free, So why the wealth or Lakshmi is with Vishnu, okay, and not with Indra? This is the question. Indra is more burdened. Indra has more responsibility. Indra is more focused on luxuries and things. So these are the, I think some of you who have attended volatility game actually know this answer. That is the reason you are just clicking on. Pradeep is smiling. Yeah, Pradeep. Good to see you. So that way, okay. So anyways, we are getting good answers. Already 75% of the people have answered. We have 260 people in the group right now. I think some people in the morning batch also have come in the evening batch. It's okay to be attend any one of the session, but it is very important that we maintain the same WhatsApp group. We just don't change that group. Huh? Let's be there because we have a capacity of 256 for WhatsApp only. Okay, so as I can see, 88% of the people have voted. What happened to the 12% people? Where are they? Why are they not voting? Okay, let me end the poll here and let me share the results with you. Okay, 25% of the people have mentioned that Vishnu is more calm. But my question is why Vishnu is calm? And 16% of the people are telling Vishnu is stress-free. The question is why is Vishnu stress-free? Okay, Indra is more focused on a lot of other things, Urvashis and Rambhas. So yes, 17%, that is one reason. But see again, 51% of the people have actually answered Vishnu is a giver. But believe me, because I have given you such options, you are writing it. Otherwise, nobody answers this as that Vishnu is a giver. Okay. Now let's understand why I have mentioned this and what is the reason I have shared this. Now, the reason why I am telling this is, now in all his avatara, there are two energies which is actually prevailing. The first energy of Vishnu is the energy of heart. There is an energy of Brahma, which is called the energy of creation. Okay, so everything, it is just like a dosa. You have to create a dosa. There is somebody who is making the dosa. So that energy is called Vishnu energy. Now then there is an energy wherein we eat that dosa. Okay, that is a heart energy, and that energy is called the Vishnu energy. Okay, then your heart and your body and everything is relaxed. And then there is a third energy called Shiva energy, which is the energy which converts that dosa which you have consumed into energy, which is again destruction and creation of final energy. So that's the way you can actually define the Trinity in form of this. Now, how it is connected with wealth management? It is very, very important that we understand that Vishnu Charitra is so important when it comes to wealth management and not the Indra Charitra. You will see a lot of your clients are very, very big hearted people. Now, see, let me give you an example. Mother Teresa had a very big heart, and after her death, also today, a lot of charity is coming. So, a lot of your clients, like it can be a person like Bill Gates or Ratan Tata, all these people are big givers. They are giving and they are continuously giving, and because of their this nature, just like Vishnu who used to come and help people, they have so much of wealth. On the other side, there are a lot of chartered accountants, engineers, very technical people, maybe your client who will call you and tell, Aaj mera portfolio, you have not switched, you should have switched, you should have transferred into this fund, you should have transferred into that fund, you should put into GET. But he will only guide you. We have a lot of clients like that, yes or no? So some people, and then you will see their portfolio only is coming down. The rest of the people who tell you, Are Ranjan Rakesh, सब कुछ ठीक है ना, अच्छा है ना पोर्टफोलियो, आप बोलोगे हाँ अच्छा है, तो क्लाइंट बोलेंगे okay, as you take it. Jitendra Bansal, you are okay. Your client will say fine, then you will say okay. So that way, when your client just asks you, he is absolutely dependent on you and he is not bothered. You will see there sometimes their wealth actually goes up. But sometimes all those people who are very, very thinking about continuously doing this, doing that, their portfolio actually don't goes up. So this is again about Vishnu Charitra and Indra Charitra. It is very, very important to understand this concept. And that is the reason why we are talking about this energy consciousness, because we need to have that. And if we have that, and if we identify clients like this, then only our practice will grow and our business will grow, our wealth will grow, and also our clients' wealth will grow. Now, why I am talking about all this? Because Finally, what we will be learning and understanding is the wealth management part, but this is very, very important. If we have a little clear understanding as a prerequisite of managing the wealth, we will have everything which will become very, very easy. Okay, making sense for everyone? Yes? Okay. So let's move to the third thing. Each and every topic will be different. It's not the same thing. The next one is about the power of compounding. I hope you all can see the screen. Okay, so next I will ask you a question. I will tell a story, and with that there is a question and you will have to answer it. I will also have a poll for that. Now there was a boy, this topic is called the eighth wonder of the world, okay? Dunya ka आठवां अजूबा है ये. And we will also have a Excel sheet also for that, so don't worry about it. I will show you. The question and the story is, once upon a time in a village there was a boy, okay, who wanted to study and go for higher studies, and he needed a lot of money. And in order to have that money, he asked the money lender, why don't you lend me some money? I will pay you whatever the interest you are asking me. Now, why I am telling you this story is, this story can be explained, or you can tell these stories to your clients in different ways, because stories will win you investment. Story will be helpful for the client to understand, and it is not only the concepts and not only the technical things. Okay, so he tells his client that I will let me just know the what is the rate of interest. He told, I can give you money, but the rate of interest is in 6 months it will become double. Which means हर 6 महीने में मैं आपको रुपया तो दे दूंगा, लेकिन आपको जो मेरे को ब्याज देना है, इंटरेस्ट देना है, वो हर 6 महीने में डबल हो जाएगा. Whatever interest you will pay, it will be like doubling every month, every 6 months, which means if I give you 100 rupee, you will have to give me 200 in 6 months, or 400 rupee in 1 year, and so on and so forth. Okay, समझ गए everyone? Now, so he tells, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, I cannot pay so much of money. So then he tells, even if it is more, that this is my interest rate. If you want to take it. Otherwise, you can just go away. So तब वो बोलता है, I am having this 1 rupee coin with me. I want to give this 1 rupee coin to you, and you can return this money to me whenever I come back. मैं आपको ये 1 रुपया देता हूँ, आप इसको रखो. मैं जब वापस आपके पास आऊंगा, आप मुझे इसका जो भी रेट होगा, इसी के हिसाब से हर 6 महीने में डबल करते करते आप मुझे दे दीजिएगा. ये बोलकर वो चला जाता है. After this he just goes and he comes back after 14 years. 14 साल बाद आता है और वो बोलता है, मैंने जो आपको रुपया दिया, अब आप मुझे वापस दीजिए. Now the question is, in the form of a poll, what do you think that the value of that particular 1 rupee is? So you have the poll in front of you. Please give your answer. Let me see how many of us are putting correct answer. We all are financial advisors. अभी तक till date, अगर आपको इसका जवाब नहीं मालूम था, if you were not aware about this answer, it is not important. But again, there will be some people are answering, my God, इतना गलत आंसर कैसे कर रहे हैं आप लोग? 50% of the people are answering wrong. No, not only 50%, 75% of the people are answering wrong. %13% of the people are telling it is 1.25 lakhs, 18% are telling 1.25 crore, 13% are telling 12.25 crore, 22% telling 26 crore, 35% are telling 107 crore. लगता है आपने पुरानी कोई कहानी सुन रखी थी और उसी को आपने आंसर बना के डाल दिया. 107 आंसर है. But my dear friends, I have changed the story. There is a twist. I told 14 years. Okay, chaliye, let's end the poll. A lot of you have answered. Almost 70% of the people have answered. If you can see the results on the screen, 34% of the people who have answered 107 crore is the wrong answer. And I've asked you 14 years, and this is not 15 years. आपने जो कहानी सुनी होगी उसमें शायद 15 साल होगा. And for others, still it is wrong. Okay, anyways, let's see the screen, and there we will understand, and we will see the spreadsheet. Why it is 26 crore. All of you can see the screen? See, in 7 years, it has become 1 rupee has become 16,000 rupees, and so on and so forth. The answer is in the 29th column. 26.8 crore is the answer. I asked you in 14 years. 14 years baad, matlab 29th column is the answer, and the answer is 26 crore. 15 years, the answer is 107 crores. Lot of you must have heard the story of 15 years wala, 31 days wala, but again, it was a different story, and this is a different story. So the idea is, it is not about the story, it is about how you are actually telling the story at any point of time. So what we have realized, see, this is power of compounding, we all are aware. This is not a very new thing. This is a very, very old thing, and which is a very common thing. But again, why we need to tell this, okay? See, how many of us were very bad in maths? Just raise a hand. Some of us were? Yeah, a lot of us were. If you were not good in maths, that doesn't mean that your father told you, "Bhai, tum to maths mein kharab ho, chalo aa jao, kaam mein baith jate hain. Let's study. You just cannot study anymore. Come and sit in the business." We just don't do like this. Our parents did not do this to us. They thought, if he's not good in maths, probably he's good in something else, and that way, and actually because probably he thought that there is something like 100 crore thing in this particular boy or a girl. So same way is with investments also. Maybe you have given a date, there is a goal, and there is a target amount, but in between it looks like 16,000, 15,000. But finally you will have to wait till the final date. So currently we are running in such a situation when everything has fallen. The markets are almost 30, 40% down. Most of the portfolios are like, have become so bad and scary that we just don't, we are scared to even look at the portfolio, whether it is our own portfolio or even of our client's portfolio. And our clients feel that he's bande ne mujhe cheat kiya hai, he has not done the right thing, he has not managed, he's a financial advisor. But my dear friends, how can, let's say agar aapko koi doctor client hota, if some doctor was there, was he aware that corona will come? He was not aware. Otherwise, he would have created some medicine for that. So certain things actually we just cannot understand that what is actually going to happen. So similar way, even in case of investments. But again, I'm sure after all these 9 modules, we will be able to do a little more justice to our clients' portfolio, and we will be able to help them. So power of compounding is very, very important. Now there are 2 reasons for the existence of a financial advisor. Okay. वो 2 reasons क्या है? I will tell this in English and I will tell this in Hindi also. The 2 reasons why there is a need of a financial advisor, carefully listen to this. Okay. The first reason is that a financial advisor needs to manage the behavior of a client. He needs to manage the emotions of a client. He needs to manage the discipline of the client. बस हमको इतना ही काम करना है कि हम एक अपने क्लाइंट का इमोशंस को, बिहेवियर को और उसके डिसिप्लिन को मैनेज कर सके. दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच वी रियली नीड टू डू फॉर अ क्लाइंट. व्हाट इज द सेकंड थिंग? द सेकंड important part of a financial advisor is rebalancing asset allocation. As an advisor, are we doing the asset allocation? Are we doing the rebalancing as and when required? हिंदी में कहूंगा, क्या जरूरत है एज अ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर कि हम लोग एसेट एलोकेशन कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, रीबैलेंस कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, जब डेट में रहना चाहिए डेट में, डेट से निकाल के फिर इक्विटी में, इक्विटी से निकाल के डेट में या प्रॉपर्टी में या जहां भी डालना है, क्या हम लोग वो काम कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. अगर हम लोग ये 2 काम कर रहे हैं, इफ वी आर डूइंग दिस 2 थिंग्स, आई थिंक वी आर एब्सोल्युटली ओके ऑन राइट मार्क. इस 2 काम के अलावा तीसरे काम की जरूरत ही नहीं है फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर को. बाकी सारी चीजें क्लाइंट अपने आप करवा लेगा आपसे और सब चीज करेगा. बस ये 2 चीज की जरूरत है. अगर आप देखोगे सामूहिक रूप से, होलिस्टिकली, only these 2 things if we can do, it will make lot of importance and lot of value add to a client. Okay. Now, what is the significance of what we mentioned as the power of compounding? It is very, very important. We really need to show it again and again and again and again to our clients. So let's see the next thing. There is a video. Now the next topic, this is very, very interesting. Okay, many a times all of you get an opportunity to talk in front of an audience. Okay, so whatever I am sharing, मैं जो भी आप लोगों के संग share कर रहा हूँ, you all can actually share the same thing in small meetings. Let's say you have been invited as a speaker in a Rotary meeting, or maybe a Lions Club meeting, or maybe a social gathering, and you have a time of 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So you can pick up one of the topic and just talk about it. So whatever topics I am talking, and I will be talking, like there will be so many things which we will be sharing, you can just adjust that, mold it according to your local flavor in your local language, and actually you can tell the whole thing. Now, this is a very, very important part of our programs, where when we are doing investor education, because finally that technical part, that understanding, those things we will do. There is no next thing in it. Okay, I'll also see a lot of people are writing. Okay, अच्छा, there some of them are asking. राजेश कुमार जी पूछ रहे हैं कि रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा? सर रिकॉर्डिंग भी मिलेगा, नॉट ओनली रिकॉर्डिंग, पुराना जो हमारा जो ये प्रोग्राम हुआ है, लाइव प्रोग्राम विद इन्वेस्टर्स, विद एडवाइजर्स, वो भी मैं आपके संग शेयर करूंगा। और ये सारे के सारे नोट्स आप लोगों को मैंने व्हाट्सएप में, ईमेल में ऑलरेडी भेजा जा चुका है। नहीं मिला है तो निशांत इज देयर, यू कैन टेक एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हिम। Don't worry about Zoom safety and all. It is not, even if it is safe or not, it is actually for the defense department and other things. Don't worry so much. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, so don't worry about it. Everything is fine. We are not sharing anything very confidential. We are just sharing. अगर चाइना वालों को पता चल जाएगा, okay, अच्छा है ना? So let them actually learn something. They will also become investment literate. This will be an investor education for them also. So not to worry about that. Huh? Anyways, so let's talk about what is money. Now the question is, when I ask this question to investors, there are a lot of answers to that. Okay. Okay. So normally in classes, we don't have this. We just ask and we get the answer. But today, while we are doing this, we have a lot of poll. Huh? So now the question is, define money. So you have a question in your poll in front of your screen, and the time starts now. We will have 1 minute. Define money. Money is everything. Money is power. Money is what we earn. मनी तो एक माया है, मनी एक मीडियम है, मनी एक मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज है, रुपया सब कुछ है, रुपया पावर है, मनी इज व्हाट वी अर्न, जो हम लोग अर्न करते हैं वही है। व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द आंसर फॉर व्हाट इज मनी? Great. 80% of people have answered. Not 80, this has been the highest. 85% of you have answered. Why 15-14% people are not answering? 90% of you have answered. Okay, let's end the poll here and share the results with you. Great. 74% of you are telling that money is a medium of exchange, and that is absolutely correct. Okay, give yourself a big applaud. Now, मैं आपके संग एक experience share करता हूँ. I have conducted this program over 500 times, but when I have conducted this program with students, then only I get this answer. Because today I am putting everything in a poll format and everything is there in front of you and you have to just choose. But otherwise, take my words, if you are there or if any investor gathering is there, nobody is answering this. Only students answer that money is a medium of exchange because they studied this in their books. Otherwise, all the other answers which I have written, people answer that only. So it is very easy to say, but it's not that way it is done. Okay, so the next part we take is what is the formula for money? Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say this is a bottle of water. In this we have water. Okay, now in order to understand water, what is the formula for water? You will tell hydrogen plus oxygen, H2O. Now in this room we have hydrogen, we have oxygen. Let's mix them. Once you mix them, something is coming out. What is it? Is this hydrogen or oxygen? It is a water. Am I able to form a water? क्या मैंने पानी बना पाया? नहीं. No. Why? Because you need a particular condition also for that. Okay, it's not only about hydrogen and oxygen मिल गया and it will become water, but there is a formula for everything. So what I mean to say, for money also there is a formula. And if we know that formula, if we understand that formula, it will help us a lot and you will be able to identify better clients in your life. And if I tell you this formula, that once you know the answer, it's not that you go out of the room and money will start falling in, falling in, falling in. It's not going to happen like that, but you will be more aware about what is money. Okay. Now the question is, what is it? Money. Let's say if there is an effort. Effort means somebody who is a chartered accountant or an engineer or whatever degree with all the effort he has earned. Somebody is a chartered accountant. He is giving 10 hours. He is getting a salary of 10 lakhs. If he is a chartered accountant plus MBA finance, then he is putting 10 hours. He is getting a 15 lakh salary. If somebody is a chartered accountant plus MBA finance plus 10 years of experience, if he has added, and if he is giving some time, then finally he is getting maybe 25 lakhs, 35 lakhs, 40 lakhs salary. Now this way that keeps growing. But now this is the formula for industrial age and till date also. But today something has changed. Okay, this formula says that you put 10 into 10, 10 into 10 is 100x. But today what has happened, 10 into 10 is 10,000x. I'll repeat. पहले 10 into 10 100 होता था, अभी भी होता है, पर आज की डेट में कुछ लोगों के संग 10 गुना 10 10,000 गुना हो जाता है. Let me give you an example of a lot of organizations like Amazon. Amazon is there, or maybe Microsoft is there. These companies, they put 10 into 10, but whatever they are getting money is 10,000x. Now my question is, why is it like that these organizations has 10,000x? Why do they get 10,000x of money and not? Okay. Can't see you. You see the presentation. So digital presence. Okay. So digital presence over globe is a part of effort. क्योंकि आपने effort डाला है, that is the reason you are creating that digital presence. Networking is also a part of effort. Because you have put up that effort of networking with people. Exponential growth. Yeah, that is my question. Why these people are having exponential growth? Why scale they are able to increase? That is the idea. Idea is also a part of effort. If you put in idea, more synergy, and more people, obviously you will have more results. More money you will get. So product. Yes, product is product is because of the effort which you have. Innovation is also a part of effort. So these are the answers which a lot of people are writing. Sudarshan is writing creating value. This is a very, very good answer till now. And Aditya is writing mind space. Again, mind space is again about your effort which you are putting. Creativity. Yes, what is that creativity I am asking? Praveen Kumarji, you have answered very nicely. Snehal, she is thinking. Solution. Solution, you can little think more on that. You are closer. NIST solutions. Sashiv, Vivek, thanks. Reading chain system. Visionary, customer centric. A lot of you are answering good answers, all very nice answers, satisfying to need. Rajiv, you have written very good answer. Flexibility, need-based solution. See, we are just moving towards, I think we have got some real good answers. Okay, creating value. Sharon, you have written very nice answer. Customer satisfaction. Mr. Mohanty. Okay, good. I think not the exact answer, but some of you have given the 90% answer. Problem solver, yeah, effort, वो भी effort में आता है. See, if I will tell you all the things which you have written, everything is a part of effort. Okay, mouth publicity, if you will only get if you have put in effort. Okay, monopoly, multiplications, investors need, creating need. Good, amazing. So let me now put a poll, and then after that only I will give you the answer. Okay. All of you are right, huh? Nobody is wrong. But beautiful answers all of you have written. That is more important. Money formula. Here is the poll. Nobody is putting time into effort because I have already written that and already declared that that is not the right answer. Chaliye, till the time you are just writing this or poll, I will tell you a little analogy to this. Okay, we all drink tea. हम लोग चाय पीते हैं या कॉफी भी पीते हैं. Now, when we are drinking this tea, a small cup of tea, what we will have, we will see how much tea is actually used in making that one glass of tea. That tea used is approximately 2 grams. Okay, and what is the cost of that 2 gram tea? The cost of this 2 gram tea is approximately 50 paisa. So this 50 paisa tea, when it is made in the form of a complete drinkable tea, we buy it, let's say for 10 rupee or maybe 7 rupee, okay, from the market. Now this is again a roadside I am talking about. Now if you go to a shop, sit there where there is a table and chair, आराम से chair पे बैठ के आप चाय पी रहे हो, वो 50 पैसे जो 10 रुपए की चाय थी, that becomes 25 rupees. Now you go to Cafe Coffee Day and you buy the same cup of coffee or tea, and you actually pay 100 rupees for that. And then finally again you go to क्या है, क्या नाम है, कैफे कॉफी डे के बाद क्या आता है, Starbucks. So Starbucks, you go to Starbucks and then you pay 250 rupees for that same 50 paisa tea leaf. After that, what happens? You go to JW Marriott and you pay 550 rupees for that same tea, where tea is separate and everything is separate, huh? Tea, sugar, milk, water, and you have to mix and you have to do it. So, but actually you are not receiving, or you are not actually paying for that 50 paisa tea. What are you actually paying for? If you answer this question, this story, you will have the answer for this. See, 35% of the people are telling time into effort into idea, but idea is also a part of effort. Time into effort into technology, but technology is also a part of effort. Money equals to value. I think to a great extent, 21% of the people have answered that. But the most important answer is, okay, I'll stop sharing. You have answered is money is equals to experience. Okay. Now, how is that? Let me stop sharing this. If you have answered this, I think this is what it is, the today's world. This is the way you actually create money. Let's say you are working for the whole day, you have worked, and at the end of the day, you tell that I have put this much of effort, this much of time, this much of ideas, this much of knowledge, this much of technology. But finally, if there is no result, like Amazon, whatever you want, you will get it from them. All varieties, everything you click and it is delivered at your home. If you are getting results, you are paid. Because that tea of 50 paisa, that is giving different result, different experience, different delight at different places. That is the reason we are paying for that particular tea so much. We know that in an Inox or in a PVR, we pay 300 rupees for that popcorn tub. But that is only 30 bucks. Still we pay 300, which is 10 times more. We all are paying on a continuous basis. We think that it is a brand. We think that it is a show off. No, it is not only that. It is all about, we just feel that experience. Now in our business, what are we doing so that we are creating that experience, that creating that delight, creating that results for our investors? If we are able to do that, or if we are doing, I think that's something which we all can understand and we all can actually see. So it is very, very important that we understand, rather in all the businesses, आप जो भी काम करते हैं उसमें सबसे important चीज यही है कि कितना results आ रहा है. Let's say somebody is working in an organization, even if he is doing excellent work, but if there is no result out of it, how many days that the organization will keep them? Okay? So, my dear friends, सब serious हो गए लग रहे हैं. Is it making sense, whatever we are talking? Yes, no, yes? चलिए थोड़ा एक तो ब्रेक लेते हैं. ब्रेक मतलब आप लोगों को थोड़ा खड़ा करेंगे अभी हम. What it is, I will tell you to do something and you will have to do. Okay, so you write, some of you write on the chat box that you will do whatever I am telling you to do. Right, you will do whatever I tell you to do. Please write it. Not okay. Whatever, yes, whatever I tell you to do, whatever I tell you to do, tell. Please write one or two more. Yes, perfect. Okay, now what you will have to do is, okay, raise your hand like this, all of you who can see me, okay? And if some of you want to just switch on your camera, you can do that so that rest of us can also see. And little more, high. And make a flower like this, like this. Okay, with your thumb and this index finger, and slowly and gradually bring it down, and touch your chin, and touch your chin. Oh my God. What is that we have? Mitali, you finally got it. Is this your chin or is this your chin? My dear friends, I told you, that is the reason I told you, you write it. Huh? Whatever I'm telling you will have to do. Not that whatever I'm doing, I'm intentionally doing it wrong. But my dear friends, we will do a little more when we do influencer game. See, communication is 93% is not words. It's only 7% which is words. मैंने आपको चिन बोला, लेकिन यहाँ पे हाथ लगाया, आप यहाँ पे हाथ लगा दिए. सबको मालूम है ये चिन है, चिक है. Mitali, after doing like this, she did like this. So it's okay, but बाकी लोग तो फिर भी यहीं पे था सबका. So anyways, the important thing is, it's not about chin or cheek. The important thing was, it's only 7% which is words, which is communication. Most of the time, 93% is not words. It is the tone, it is the attitude, it is the body language, it is a lot of other things which is very, very important. So most of the time हम लोग clients को बोलते रहते हैं ना, आप ये कर लीजिए sir, sip कर लीजिए sir, do sip, do this, do that. Even to kids and children also we are telling, don't do this, don't do that, do this, do that. But most of the time we think that only words will make that difference, but it is only 7%. 93% is not words. So my dear friends, when we are telling something to a client, we really want an experience which they actually do get. It is all upon us. क्या हमने उस फंड में इन्वेस्ट किया है? क्या हमने अपना फाइनेंशियल प्लान बनाया है? Have we invested in that fund? Have we made a financial plan for ourselves? So if that is done, then automatically investors will do certain things, because that power which will come out, that energy which will come out from us will be totally different. So it is very, very important that we understand what are we doing. Are we actually also on that same line? So it is very, very important. So this was just to have a little break. I just mentioned that, but we will do a little more things like this when we do influencer game, because that is about communication skills. Okay, and in that game, all of us will make scripts and do a lot of other things also. So again, coming back to the normal topic. So there was one more thing we were talking, I just missed that. When we were talking about that Vishnu Charitra and Indra Charitra, I told no that when you are giving, you are entitled to receive. Do we want to do an experiment for that? Okay, so all of you are sitting, all of you sit straight for a few minutes. Okay, all of you know how to inhale. Okay, now take your hand and put it on your belly. अपने पेट पे अपने हाथ को रखें और feel it when you are inhaling, whether your belly is coming out or going in. Okay, inhale. exhale. Okay, now you write in the chat box, when you are inhaling, your belly is out or in, out or in, out or in. When you inhale, it is in or out. Inhale, in or out. You see the chat box, you will be really laughing. Most of us are telling in and then out and then in and then out, as if it is like a playground parade we are doing. In, out, in, out, in, out. See, the humorous part is this is something which we all are doing every time. But see, there is a confusion in that also. See, yogic way of breathing is when you put air in the balloon blows, which means when you put air inside your body, it should come out. Which means when you inhale, the belly should come out and not in. If it is the different way, then we can have health issues. Okay, we are not going to talk or take a class on breathing, but this is about money. Why this is connected with money? Now I will tell you to inhale, you inhale. When I tell you to exhale, you exhale. Okay, inhale, inhale. Sit straight, inhale, 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 inhale. Got stuck? Exhale, 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 exhale. Got stuck. Why did you get stuck? Why you cannot only inhale? Why you cannot only exhale? A lot of people are answering. This is the capacity. There is a limitation because it is a cycle. Yes, absolutely correct. Until and unless we give, we are not entitled to receive. जब तक हम देंगे नहीं, हमें कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. If we exhale, then only we can exhale. Same thing is with money. Until and unless you give money, you will not get money. That is the reason आपके जो clients who are like very big givers, they will have enough money every time. Those clients who are not big givers, वो आपको कमीशन देने में, आपको फीस देने में भी उनको प्रॉब्लम है, वो देखिएगा उनके संग प्रॉब्लम है. So all those people who are really, really good, very kind in giving, they will have enough money, abundant mindset, and it will be very, very nice for them. So it is very important that we understand this when it comes to money management. Okay. Okay, coming back to our presentation again. So this was the reason what I shared with you. Now, how do you make money? How do you make money? Let's have a poll so that we understand that. So can you see the poll in front of you? Please answer. How do you make money? You means it's not only you, it's generally, it can be anyone. Okay, any person. Good, this is a simple question and a very simple answer, but also a lot of people are answering different answers here. Good to see that the voting percentage has gone up, polling percentage. Now almost 88-90% of the people are going for the polls. Okay, so if we see the results, almost 68% of the people are telling all of the above. Yes. Most of the time, no, we just say, how do you make money? So people will say by investing. Investing only when you have invested. It is by job, business, profession. So all of the above is the correct answer. Let's take the other next question, which is about asset classes. Okay. So this is again launched. Please answer this. What are the major asset classes? जब मैं clients को पूछता हूँ, what are the major asset classes? वो बोलते हैं mutual fund, somebody will tell LIC, somebody will tell fixed deposit, somebody will tell post office. But that is a part of asset classes. That is the name of the asset classes. So the asset class is something different. What is an asset class? Okay. Post office is debt. PPF is debt. Fixed deposit is debt. Mutual fund is combination of equity, debt, or maybe bullions, gold. So these are not asset classes. They are combination of asset classes. So ये बहुत जरूरी है जानना to understand what is an asset class. Okay. So that is the reason this poll is there. But when you are asking these questions in public to your clients, nobody will, because यहाँ पे you have this all options there in front of you, you are able to answer it. Okay, so let's end the poll here and see. Good, 88% of people are telling all of the above. Yes. See, asset classes are equity is there, debt is there, real estate and bullions. Bullions is like gold and silver. Okay. So it is very important to understand all this. Let's get into the next poll. Next poll is about what is equity. Whenever I give an option now to people, something different, people will equity. Equity is a ownership in business. Yes, no, it's much wider term, can't say. Thank God nobody is answering can't say. I'm sorry, I have written something weird things, no? I should not have written, but can't say, kaise koi likh sakta hai? It is so weird, but still it is there. Okay, so almost 90% of you have answered. Let's share the results. Yes, 75% of the people are telling equity is ownership. Yes, it is an ownership, and this is the correct answer. इसमें और wider क्या होगा? कुछ लोग बोलते हैं और wider term है. Wider क्या होगा? It is the percentage of ownership. If you are having, let's say 1%, you have the 1% ownership. If you are having 0.5%, is the 0.5% ownership. So there is nothing more than that. Okay, so this is absolutely fine. The next one is, what is debt? What is debt? I'm so glad and happy that everybody is now answering, and they are used to this polling thing, because this was a little challenge in the morning batch. Some of us were really finding it so difficult to just do the polling, and it was really, really difficult. But I'm happy that everyone is doing it right now. Good that some of you from morning batch has also come to this evening batch. But please retain your Jayesh Mehta, you came late. You were there in the waiting thing. No, it's okay, okay. I just saw you. No issues. Okay, so let's end the poll here. I'm sharing the results. 82% of us have answered that debt is the money lent to run a business for a fixed interest. Okay, that's fine. So stop sharing the results. Okay, we will have rest of the polls later. So this is what is there. Let's get back to the screen again and see what more is there for us. So where do you make money? We have answered. Where do you invest money? What are the asset classes? Now these are the instruments. And in these instruments, which is the most liquid instrument? मतलब रात को 12 बजे भी चाहिए, you can get that money. Please write in your chat box. Which is the most liquid in amongst all this? Most liquid. If you need the money at midnight, you will get it. Oh, somebody has written gold. क्या राजेश जी गोल्ड लिख रहे हैं आप? How can gold be the answer? Equity. How can you sell equity at 12 o'clock? Friend. Somebody has written friend also. Anyways, it's your bank deposit. Whatever money is in your bank, you can actually withdraw it from your ATM. Now the next question is, which is the most illiquid thing? Most illiquid, which means even if you want to get rid of that, it can take sometime years also. Oh, great. Everybody is answering the same: real estate, real estate, real estate, real estate. So beautiful. So real estate is the perfect answer. So it was a very simple thing. But again, when you are talking about all this with your investors, sometimes it becomes a little question. Now, how many of us have read this book called The Rich Dad Poor Dad? A lot of us must have read. If you have not read, I will recommend everyone to please read this book. This is, I think, a must for all the financial advisors. Although this book was written long, long back, I think in year 1996 or 94, I read this book in 2000. The basic essence of this book is, what is your asset? Okay, your asset is something which will create income for you. Most of us consider that house is an asset, car is an asset, but your house or a car can only become an asset when it is generating income for you. Okay, maybe all this can look very, very simple because we all are financial advisors, but why I am talking all this to you, so that whenever you get an opportunity, you try and use some of these concepts and share it with your investors in small formats, because your investors want things to be simple, things to be very easy to understand. It's not that complicated things. Our work as a financial advisor is to make things simple and easy, not complicated. Okay, for those people who are making it complicated, probably that's not the work. Some of the highly booted, suited wealth managers do that. But again, asset is something. Let's say your house, there is a EMI, there is a municipality tax, there is a maintenance which you are paying. So if there is that is an expense, so that cannot be your asset. That is a liability. So if your house or if your car, if it is generating income out of it, net inflows cash, then it is a asset. Okay. Let me see the answers some of you have written. Private car. This is not my analogy. This is Robert Kiyosaki's analogy, and he is a master, and he has been talking about this for many years. He has explained cash flow. I will recommend everyone to read his book, view his videos. They are really well explained. And as a financial advisor, we all should have a rich dad, poor dad views in our portfolio. Now, this is an amazing book. Just by showing this client, I have made hundreds of people my client. I was working with a company called PricewaterhouseCoopers in 1995 till 2000. Okay, 5 years. In 2000, I left the job and then I started with financial advisory business. And in 2004, I read this book. And 2005, after reading this book, I thought that what am I doing? I just created a company, then I stopped working in anything and everything in my individual name. And then I started creating different people for different work. And then it was all because of this book. Can anyone tell what was the name of this book? This is called Cash Flow Quadrant. Okay, this is an amazing book. If you I recommend this also. All of us must read during this lockdown period if you get an opportunity. On the left side of this quadrant, what you have, left side of this quadrant is, S and E. Okay, S stands for self-employed people, E stands for employees. So all those people who are self-employed, okay, are the people who can actually, like doctors, like professionals like us, and then professionals like an advocate, or maybe people like them. कहने का मतलब है, as long as they are there, वो लोग जब तक वो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, they are actually making money. Employees also, as long as they are there, they will actually make money. Once they stop working, once they are not present, they will not make money. Which means if you are active, if you are present, you will get money. If you are not active, if you are not there, the money will go. Or maybe after some time, कुछ दिनों के बाद वो रुपया आना बंद हो जाता है. The second part on the right side is B and I. B stands for business entrepreneurs and I stands for investors. B means people, these are business entrepreneurs. Let's say there is a bank, ICICI Bank is there, and there is a branch manager, and that branch manager goes, and after 6 months a new branch manager comes. Do you think something happens to that organization? to that branch, nothing happens. That branch is running as it was running. The business is happening as it was happening. Now, why is it like that? Because the process, because the system, because something is which is already created. Now, even if anybody is there or not there, it will not create any difficulties for that. Same thing is with investors. So our work, our job in our life should be to bring the active and the passive income equal. Every day we should work on one thing, how we can make our active income equal to our passive income. So if we are able to do that, active income equals to passive income, I think we have done a great work. This is for us. How we can do that? That you will have to work. You will have to create systems so that even if you are not there, your business should run. When you are giving your business to your son or to your daughter or to the next generation, it should have income flowing in. Even if you are not there, income should come in and your next generation can actually take it to the next level. But if it is not done that way, this means it is all dependent on you. Now for a client, हम लोग को क्या बोलना है? Okay? तो client को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? You know what is clone? Clone, C-L-O-N-E. Clone is something which is like, let's say in this group we have Astha or Gaurav is there. Like Astha, she is earning, let's say, 2 lakh rupees per month. Okay, example, whatever you are earning, it is absolutely your thing. So let's say if Astha is earning 2 lakh rupees per month, and if you have 2 Astha, which means both of them will earn 2 lakh rupees per month. If you have 3 Astha, all 3 of you will earn 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees per month. Now, what is the mechanism? What is the way wherein you can increase it like that? If you can create a clone for one, that means you can actually create the income double, triple, 3 times. So I tell to people, I tell to client, would you like to make a clone for yourself? So most of the time the client will say, yes, I will like to make a clone for myself. Then in that case, what has to be done? What has to be done? Okay, yes, duplicating. Okay, some are telling there is no voice. Network franchisee business. So no, I'm not talking about networking or franchisee business. What I'm talking about, how we can create a passive income, how we can build a team. No, it's not about building a team, Ashwini. It is about creating a process. Even if you have a small team or a big team, that is not important. The idea is whether it is a process or not. So when you are creating this slowly and gradually, when this active and passive income becomes equal, you have actually created one clone for yourself. And for a client, what I say, if we make a financial plan for you, wherein you also sign, I also sign. So once that is done, then your money will start working for you. Thank you, Sham. Sam is written that your money is working for you. So when you have created this active equals to passive, your money started working for you. And then slowly and gradually your passive income goes up, then your money is working more for you. And you have created more than one clones. So you are able to do that. You have actually done a justice to your work, whatever it is. Okay. So far, anything? Let's have some other poll. Now we will have some technical, see today what we will do is we will have some part of the thing, because in the morning I think we were little slow compared to what today. The evening batch is absolutely running hurdle-less and absolutely fine. In the morning there were a lot of issues. So I will just stop where we stopped in the morning for the morning batch today, and we will do the part 2 tomorrow. Otherwise we could have done it today also. But so another, I think 15-20 minutes, then we can have a little question and answers also. And we will understand what we will be doing in next few days, so that a lot of clarity is there with all of you. So before that, let's take some of the polls. What is a PE ratio? See, so far everything, all the questions, whatever we have been doing, it was like, no, a prerequisite of a financial advisor. Now slowly and gradually, and especially tomorrow, we will move into a lot of figures, lot of numbers we will have to play, because financial advisors means number game. So just don't be scared that आज कोई figures और कोई numbers की बात ही नहीं हो रही है यहाँ पे. Are we actually doing right thing or not? Don't worry about that. और सब लोगों को ये भी डरने की बात नहीं है कि आप लोगों को कोई पीपीटी चाहिए, मॉड्यूल चाहिए. सब कुछ आपको मॉड्यूल्स दे दिया गया है, कोई पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just be relaxed, just play the games, because every day we will be playing a game. We will do a lot of polls, so there is nothing to make it serious. और आराम आराम से मजाक मजाक में आप लोग देखेंगे. All this 9 days we will learn a lot of things which probably we have which was there somewhere in our subconscious, but now we are learning it. Okay, so I end the poll here and share the results. Absolutely correct. 92% of the people are telling price earning ratio. I got 6% are telling profit earning ratio. कोई बात नहीं, but as a financial advisor, what is price earning ratio is, we will have to understand that. Let me make you understand this. Normally हम लोग को जब पूछते हैं ना, तो all chartered accountants, you will all answer technically. How many times, okay, we are willing to pay. There are technical answers, but let me tell you an answer which is a normal common man will understand. एक हाउसवाइफ को भी अगर आप बोलोगे पी रेशियो, उसको भी समझ में आएगा. अगर एक रिक्शा पुलर को भी आप बोलोगे, उसको भी समझ में आना चाहिए. If your definition, if you are able to explain the definitions in an easiest possible way, then only you are I think, a very good financial advisor. So if you are not making it easy, तब आप में और नॉर्मल अच्छे एडवाइजर में डिफरेंस नहीं है. अच्छा एडवाइजर वही है, बेस्ट एडवाइजर is who can actually explain things in the easiest possible way. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say there is a hotel. That hotel is 10 crore worth of the price. The price is 10 crore rupees. Now in that hotel, every year, that hotel is making 1 crore rupees as income. That is the earning. So 10 crores divided by 1 crore. What is the P ratio? 10. Okay, so 10 divided by 1 is 10. Now next year, the earning of the hotel becomes 2 crore per annum, which means 10 crore was the price and 2 crore is the earning. 10 divided by 2 is how much? 5. So 5 is the P. Now the question is, 5 is good or 10 is good? When we will play the game tomorrow, we will understand and we will practically do it with the actual figures which is there in the equity market. So we will have some actual scenarios. We will have games played in front of us. We will divide the whole group into 4 teams, and different teams will have different rooms in this Zoom section. You can discuss and you can actually jointly, there will be a captain appointed and you can actually answer that. So we will do that tomorrow. But for now, understanding what is P ratio. So this is P ratio. A lot of time people say the things which don't have a P ratio, I think you should think 10 times before investing into that. For example, cryptocurrency. Okay, cryptocurrency is another asset class. Lot of people are trading in that. But do cryptocurrency has a P ratio? So it is very, very important. Even you as an individual, your company, your business also has a P ratio. So you should analyze that, and based on that only you evaluate yourself. Where are you? So if you are able to do that for yourself, let's say you have an idea, you are a startup, and why people will invest in you? Okay, so there should be a probable price and earning, and all these things should be there. Then only you can understand and evaluate yourself. Okay, okay. I think this is these are the polls which is there for today. What is Nifty? P we have understood. Some of you can write this. What is Nifty? In the chat box. Let me see the answers. 50 stocks, index. Barometer of economy, Sagar. Congratulations. Sagar has given a beautiful answer. Large cap, average, 50 stocks, top 50. This is not top 50. This is 50, but this is not top 50. Benchmark. Mirror of Indian economy, Santosh Gandhi. Very good. Yes. मैंने बार बार ये कहा था, प्लीज आंसर एज इफ यू हैव टू टेल दिस टू अ लेमैन, एक नॉर्मल बंदे को, जो जिन्होंने ये आंसर दिया ना, दिस इज अ बैरोमीटर ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी. This is like the mirror of Indian economy. I think to a great extent, this will make a common person understand that. Otherwise, if you will tell, let's say, a normal housewife why she is interested into that, and this is not the top 50 companies, okay? See, Nifty is about top 75 companies. May say the top, out of that 50 companies are the index. It is not the top. The top word is not there. So 75 stocks are there, 1 to 75 market capitalization wise. Out of that, National Stock Exchange identifies 50 stocks and they put it. Sometimes you will see that 65th stock is also in the index. That is not the top 50 stocks. So it is not the top 50 stocks, it is an index of 50 stocks, but it is like that. So it is the way, like most of the index we have in different economy, different countries, but actually all this represents whether the economy, whether the country, whether we as a whole are doing good or bad. Okay, so that's perfect. In the morning, this same part I did in 2 hours, and I have done it in less than 1.5 hours. So that's really good. I think it is all because of such a beautiful group here, and we have. So now let's have some little question and answer, and I will also stop the recording at this point of time.